Welcome to NT Coin's world. Today we're focusing on a true star from the early days of the 50 State Quarters program, the 2000p Virginia State Quarter. It's not just a commemoration of the birth of a colony, it's a numismatic celebration of America's roots and one of the most interesting coins from the millennium year. The State Quarters program launched in 1999 with the goal of honoring each U.S. state with a unique design on the quarter's reverse. Virginia was the 10th state honored, released on October 16, 2000. The obverse retains John Flanagan's enduring portrait of George Washington with the United States of America, Liberty, In God We Trust, and $quarter inscribed. What makes the Virginia State Quarter stand out is its reverse design, titled Jamestown 1607 to 2007, which depicts the three ships, Susan Constant, Godspeed, and Discovery, that brought the first English settlers to Jamestown. The ships sail majestically with Virginia 1788 at the top and Jamestown 1607 to 2007 and E Pluribus Unum at the bottom. The Philadelphia Mint produced over 943 million of these quarters, making it one of the higher mintage state quarters. Yet the artistic value and historical tribute ensure it's never just common. In fine condition, this quarter usually holds nominal value. However, collectors seek versions in brilliant uncirculated condition or those with notable errors. The 2000p Virginia Quarter has some famous error varieties. A few examples include off-center strikes, die cracks, and the elusive clipped plancher, where part of the coin's rim is missing. Another notable error involves doubling in the ship's rigging or lettering, adding dramatic appeal and value. Values can range from 25 cents in circulated condition to $3 to $5 in MS-63 grade. High-grade versions, especially those in MS-67 or with errors, have been known to command prices upwards of $50. Proof versions struck in San Francisco with the S mint mark can fetch even higher prices if cameo or deep cameo finishes are intact. Collectors love the Virginia Quarter because of its dynamic ship design and the historical story it tells. It's one of the more educational and visually appealing state quarters and continues to be a favorite among those completing the full 50-coin series. If you have this coin in your collection, inspect the ship details, the sails, and rigging. Check for doubling, misalignment, or signs of die deterioration. You might just discover a rare variety hiding in plain sight. Next on our list is the 2007D Idaho State Quarter, an often overlooked yet surprisingly significant release from the tail end of the State Quarters series. Released on June 4, 2007, Idaho was the 43rd state honored in the program. With its strong symbolism and unique design, the Idaho Quarter is more than just another quarter. It's a representation of wilderness, independence, and one of America's most majestic birds. The obverse remains consistent with the rest of the series, George Washington's profile by Flanagan, flanked by the usual inscriptions, United States of America, Liberty, In God We Trust, and the denomination $quarter. But the reverse design is where the Idaho State Quarter truly shines. It features the peregrine falcon in mid-flight, its wings extended and eyes sharp, with an outline of Idaho in the background. The state motto, Esto Perpetua, meaning let it be perpetual, appears on the right side, a powerful nod to Idaho's values. The Denver Mint struck approximately 263.2 million of these coins, which is a relatively moderate mintage for the series. Although common in everyday change, pristine examples and those with errors hold special interest for collectors. The 2007D Idaho Quarter has been reported with several notable errors. These include die breaks, cuds, and doubling, particularly in the outline of the falcon's wings or the state border. A common quality control issue in 2007 coins involved weak strikes, making strong strikes more desirable. Also, look out for missing clad layer errors, which expose the copper core and can significantly increase the coin's value. In fine condition, the coin is typically worth face value. However, uncirculated coins graded MS-63 or higher are valued between $3 and $10. Examples graded MS-67 or above can sell for $50 to $150, especially those with perfect strike and eye appeal. Why is this coin a favorite among collectors? For one, the peregrine falcon is a stunning subject. It's the fastest bird on Earth and a symbol of precision, speed, and vision, traits that resonate with both wildlife lovers and numismatists. Additionally, Idaho's distinct design sets it apart from more traditional depictions in the series. Collectors often seek this coin as part of the full state quarters set, but it also holds appeal as a standalone collectible due to its design and symbolism. If you own one, examine it closely, pay special attention to the falcon's feathers, the lettering, and any signs of doubling or misalignment. That wraps up today's journey into two amazing state quarters that hold more value than meets the eye. Thanks for joining NT Coins World. If you found this video informative or entertaining, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next rare coin reveal. Happy hunting, and may your change jars be full of treasures.